through Highlands. This is the barbecue place, smokehouse I was telling you about. It's a good looking place, but the food just wasn't that impressive. The prices were high. But if you've gone to Highlands and Cashers, North Carolina, there's a lot of money in these mountains. So, one of Highlands' finest is going to be in front of us. I doubt there's going to be a trooper on this road ever. And if you want to see expensive, on the veranda, look up their menu. All right, where's our policeman? We're almost out of Highlands. The waterfalls along here are great too. So if you get the opportunity to find a parking space at a waterfall, do it. You definitely want to walk down to Dry Falls. It's worth it. Even in motorcycle gear, it's worth it. This one's cool here. That's Bridal Veil Falls. Back in the olden days, you could drive underneath it, take your picture with the motorcycle and the waterfall falling on top of it. I think that gray car was our cop. We're away from Highlands. I don't think we'll see a cop between here and Franklin. This is very rural for North Carolina Highway Patrol to be out here on this part of 28. Alright, so this is Dry Falls coming up on the left. And there is not many people here today. But if you come tomorrow, this is a Friday. If you come tomorrow, that sheriff will be directing traffic out in the road. Because these folks, and the parking lot's full, these folks think that you could still get into the parking lot. So they either have a deputy or park ranger standing out in the road to make people go straight. So I'm sure that sheriff vehicle was the reason for the bikes tapping their helmet. But he's there solely for just parking, just to make sure that people don't back up 28. This is a main thoroughfare. This is this is similar to Deals Gap. This is the only way you can go to get from point A to point B. And if this road's shut down because people are trying to park at a waterfall and the ambulance can't get through, there's problems. Ooh, I hit a rock. And just like Deals Gap, they have pull-offs on this road too, but nobody's ever going to use them. They think because they have a Honda CR-V that they're just the fastest vehicle on the highway. Can't do the speed limit, but they're fast. Oh my goodness. She is from here and she cares. She or her spouse ride. I got to get out here more often on weekdays. Now that I'm permanently unemployed, yeah, I got to come this direction more often. Check that out. I hope you can see it. Behind me is a cool waterfall.